This message is being broadcast at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a drill. Repeating. This is not a drill. NASA has detected an unknown aircraft entering Earth's orbit. It is unknown as to whether this aircraft has intentions of hostility, or whether it is of extraterrestrial origin. However, NASA has contacted the U.S. government and is further investigating the aircraft. Although it is not believed to be a dangerous situation, precautionary measures are taking place until NASA can identify the aircraft. Normal broadcasting will resume after this message.